Stick around to the end of this video and watch me go from thin, kind of see-through, transparent hair to hair that is colored, filled with pigment, and a lot more translucent, meaning you can't see through it. It's good. In this video, I'm going to show you my pattern for a quick weave and take you through the full process, along with telling you the way that I combat HS in my scalp again. So make sure that if you haven't done so already, you go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and turn on your post notifications. Click that bell so you're notified every time I post another video. Okay, so hopping right into this, let me show you this color key though. You know how you'll have color left in the tube, you can't really get it out? Get a color key. You use the smallest amount of Olaplex. Number one, the more Olaplex you use, the weaker the color formulation is going to be. All right, so I want you to pay attention to my hair. Now, as you get older, your hair begins to lose melanin. So not only do you lose melanin and your hair looks gray as a result, the melanin is leaving the cortex of my hair shaft. So I have to put some of it back in, or my hair is going to look see-through. So a lot of you, your hair looks like it's thinning out, but really you're just losing a little bit of melanin. So in this video, I'm just going to do a rinse, right? We're just like a demi-permanent, right? A demi-permanent is not permanent hair color, so it's not going to be super duper dark, but there's levels to this. So I want to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, because I need you to calm down. Your hair is not thinning out. I mean, it could be, but most likely is not. Try this. The cortex of the hair shaft is where all of the melanin lives, but because this is a demi-permanent hair color, we're not really going that deep into the cortex. This will be more like a coating on top of the hair shaft, right? So I'm showing it to you guys like this because I do want you to see the difference, because if you are losing a little bit of the melanin that's in your hair and it's making your hair appear a lot thinner, then there are different levels that you can do depending on where you are, right, and how much you're losing. But that is why it's really important that you know about the ins and outs of hair, so that way no matter what your body is going through the different phases in your life, you'll know how to fix them. Because the reality of it is, as we get older, our bodies stop producing certain amino acids, and that will interfere with the color of your hair. It'll interfere with your hair's elasticity and all of those things. So I'm using myself as an example. We're a couple of months behind, but I'm using myself as an example in this video because I want to visually show you guys what it is. Just because I do hair does not mean that my body isn't going to follow its natural patterns as well. But when you know the science of hair, you can combat these things. All right, and that's all I want you to know. So I'm putting this color in. I do want you guys to notice how I'm working the color in. So you don't just put hair color on the hair shaft and then walk away. You actually have to work the product into the hair. But first, let's talk about this video sponsors, Botanica Life. Oh my goodness, I am so in love with this product because hey, listen to me. Listen, now I'm not a lash girl. I don't like doing lashes. I'm not knocking it, but it's not my thing. And I really don't like putting on makeup. So I'm so in love with this product because anytime I need to thicken my eyebrows up or my lashes, I want to get my lashes a lot thicker. So all I have to do is wear mascara. And I started using this a couple of months ago. So this was my first application and it's super duper easy to put it on. And let's talk about its key ingredient, anagen. It's produced through a certain scientific process. These sprouts have the highest form of vital nutrients, which are health promoting compounds that protect pea sprouts from environmental pollutions like UV and so many different things. So it does the exact same thing to the body. And what it does, it goes within the body, and this extract creates a substance that is absorbed absorbed into the follicle and it penetrates into the deepest part of the hair bulb. And what this does, it triggers the cells to produce more molecules that signal to start the production of new hair growth cells, like I tell you guys about all the time in the anagen phase of the hair growth cycle. So pea extract, this is going to speed up your hair growth cycle. Get some. Link in the description box.
This is the hair that I lost. Well, not lost, but the hair that just came out. So I want to talk to you about something. I'm gonna make a whole video on locks, right? But when somebody's locking their hair, what they're doing is locking the hair that sheds. So this hair, they're locking it into each individual twist. So as the hair grows, they'll just retwist the hair that sheds to be, you can come in, boo, to be a part of that twist. So that's all it is. Locking your hair is locking in those hairs that you're shedding in to one thing. So remember, this isn't permanent hair color. It's more so like a, we would call this a demi-permanent, like a demi. Because I don't know if I want to keep my hair dark jet black indefinitely. And once you go black, you can't go back. Alright. So yeah, and for real, I'm not being funny. I'll talk about that in a video coming soon. But I'm about to shampoo this out. First I'm going to do one shampoo and then follow up with Olaplex 3. Then I'm gonna shampoo and then I'm gonna rinse this out and then I'm gonna follow up with Olaplex 8. And then I'm gonna blow dry my hair. Don't know if I'm straightening it. I don't know. But I'll be back.
At this point, I decided to do something a little more tension free, all right, and just gave myself a quick weave for approximately 2 weeks. And at this point, I am putting on Olaplex number 3, letting it sit for its allotted time, exactly the time frame that's on the bottle, and then I am going to go ahead and blow dry my hair and get started. Stay tuned. Oh, by the way, I'm just combing the product through my hair. I am not detangling. There is a difference between combing and detangling, all right?
So Olaplex 2 has been in for about 10 minutes and now I'm about to shampoo it out. I'm going to wash it out and then I'm going to come back with you and add Olaplex 8. And then once the Olaplex 8 is in there, then I'm going to put those bundles under the dryer. And by that time, it'll be time to rinse this out. Do not leave the conditioner in for 3 hours. If the bottle said what it said, 10 minutes, bro. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10. You leave it there for 20 minutes.
Damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we a pair? Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. leave me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. You told me situations left you lonely. Tried to give you my best shot, but my best don't mean a lot. Bullseye always miss, that's why it's all I got. Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, because you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. So one more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose.